Why on earth would you be digging around the tool drawer?
Well, D-Max almost ran out of fuel today, and I did another tyre, so that's why I carry 2 spares. But yeah, sucks. What can you do?
You wake up in the morning, you come over to your car to do a piss,
and you look at that,
and you look at a bloody flat tyre. On the other side this time, we don't know where the leak is though, and we think it was a bit slower, but
it's alright. We'll take it off, pump it up, see if we can find the leak. If it's repairable, we'll repair it. If not,
to put our trip into a bit of perspective. Here we are on our way home from the dead centre of the Simpson desert. And, when we were out there, our nearest mapped track was over 100 kilometres away. We're just about to get back on the French line, and we'll see if the boys get up this dune. Not so lucky for the D-Max. Oh, Blakey boy, you mind telling us why we pulled over here?
yeah, wouldn't believe it.
Wouldn't believe it.
The reverse camera wasn't quite straight, so we pulled over to repair that. No, I've actually snapped a leaf on my driver's side, the top leaf which holds the actual whole leaf in, so that's great news. But
the good news is we don't really need it.
no, you don't need leaf springs in the rear of a car, it's fine. And there's only like another 3,000 k's of the trip to go, so we'll be sweet.
and spare parts in Birdsville, definitely D-Max. They'll have them.
Screws the country out here. So what I'm gonna do?
Get it to Birdsville.
Fix it up. See, we'll find out in a minute. We'll take the wheel off.
What have we got here, Curtis?
Snags for lunch.
Snags for lunch. What are the other two boys doing?
I know, I lost them.
Oh, I'll go have a look, see if I can find them. Oh, he's
having a picnic here.
having a bit of a picnic mat and everything.
Yeah, leaves for lunch.
Leaf springs for lunch. How do you like your leaf spring? Snapped?
In one piece, preferably.
Yeah, she's like, I'm strong, but I shouldn't be able to do that.
Oh, that'll do.
Yeah. Safety first.
First, make sure she doesn't drop on us. We've got to inspect the damage, eh?
Yeah, let's go have a look.
So that's the old culprit there.
That is disgusting.
What we might have to do, try and get that back as close as possible. Bit of a gap there.
She's clearly broken. Nothing a bit of solder can't fix, but
Should be alright, we'll get it done.
it's actually not doing anything.
Yeah, it's probably not that bad. The spot's breaking.
It's all supported on this one now though,
Yeah.
so that it doesn't hit the chassis.
That hit it. Oh yeah. That clear tyre.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Like a bought one, Blake.
Not bad. good.
That's sick.
Double the strength.
Not too bad. Nothing beats a snag. Hey, Blake.
Yeah, mate. We won't really know how this repair goes until we start bouncing back along the French line, but gonna get rid of the fuel, extra 20 litres on this side, so pop that in the car, put the last 2 cartons in this drawer in Curtis's, and probably drop the water at the back of the car as well, just get rid of any weight, and play by ear.
We're sailing across the dunes.
Well, rightio, ladies and gentlemen, we just pulled over for some lunch, and as we pulled over for lunch, we heard a couple of noises coming from the D-Max as we pulled off the track, and sounded like maybe like sway bar linkish or something from the front, so we jumped onto the front and had a look, and turns out the front was absolutely A-OK. As I walked to the rear of the vehicle though, I was met by a leaf spring. It was at a 90-degree angle compared to where it should be. I've snapped a leaf spring, the main leaf spring on the top that has the eyelets on it. I've snapped that just in front of the bump stop, and yeah, we've got a band-aid fix at the moment. We're cruising down the French line, which is not the smoothest of tracks, and we're just babying the car down the French line. We'll make it. We'll get this thing back out to Burrsville. We're not going to need any recoveries at this time unless something drastically changes. But yeah, the old D-Max under half power and babying back to Burrsville.
Under fire in
See
the
how we
mighty
go.
D-Max. Yeah.
Alex on foot. Alex chasing him. Go, Alex.
Nice.